You know, I know some of you may be like, it's a street truck, right? Take it to the car wash. But how do you wash a bucket of bolts? You just simply roll it out in the rain. And anyway, I went and tested the transmission just a second ago. I have no park, hence the hammer underneath, but I have first, second, and third. First, second, and third are gonna be a little more important. We'll figure out park. Hey, it's got a parking brake. So, you know, it is holding itself there without that, but it's working. So anyway, I said, well, it started raining on me when I was taking it out, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna wash this stupid thing. It needs to knock the dust off. And so it's getting all the dust knocked off. I think the hood's a little warm where the turbo is. Not sure, but I think that's turbo heat. Anyway, it's kind of funny. So yeah, but man, it's brown. It's starting to patina its own self. So yeah, there you go.